In this Comet tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can limit and restrict web access completely, certain websites, or certain games and applications. So we'll start with the scenario. I want to limit a certain person from web access completely. So I want to click I want to limit all web access for one or more users. And in this example, I'm going to select Ace. Ace is on the computer all the time. He's always on the internet, and I just want him to be on it for a certain period of time. So for us, we use Internet Explorer for our browser. You might have a different situation where you're using Firefox and Internet Explorer, but for us, we just use Internet Explorer. So for simplicity's sake, we're just going to keep it to Internet Explorer throughout these examples. So I can restrict Ace from Internet Explorer completely by clicking Restrict this app, or I can limit him to a certain period of time. So I want to limit Ace to 60 minutes on the internet per day. And what's cool is that on the minutes column right here, you can see how many minutes he has used so far. And so far, he has used 0 minutes, and he has 60 minutes left. So say you wanted to limit Facebook and restrict a certain website like YouTube. So I'm going to click on I want to limit web access for a specific keyword. And in this example, let's use Connor. So Connor, we want to limit Facebook and restrict YouTube. To limit Facebook on the keywords, we're going to type Facebook, and we want to limit him to 60 minutes a day. So now he is limited to Facebook for 60 minutes a day. Right here, Connor, Facebook, and he has used 0 minutes out of the 60. And let's restrict YouTube completely. So once again, we're going to select Internet Explorer itself, and we're going to type YouTube this time. And we're going to click Restrict this app. So doing this, Connor cannot get on YouTube whatsoever. And if we click Refresh, we'll see that the check mark is boxed in Restrict, showing that. And what about games and certain applications? So Kelly, she plays World of Warcraft all the time. She runs those battlegrounds and she never gets off. World of Warcraft. So we're going to do a search. And the search on our computers brings up the extension name wow.exe. So I want to limit or restrict that. I'm not going to restrict her on this, but I could, and she wouldn't be able to play at all. But I'm going to limit her to 60 minutes a day on World of Warcraft. And that's completely done right here. 60 minutes a day, and so far she's used 0 minutes on wow.exe, which is World of Warcraft. And if you wanted to change something like that, like remove a certain restriction, so for Connor, we want to unrestrict YouTube. You can actually exit right here if you wanted to, or if you had several choices, you could do a select all, but it's just easier if you just click this red X right here. So now Connor is allowed to get on YouTube. And if you want to set a limit, you could do that just like you did for Facebook. And sometimes games have different file names when they download, depending on your computer and what you save it as. So I'm just going to throw you a quick side example. There's a game called Minecraft that Kelly plays all the time also. Minecraft on our computer shows up as minecraft.exe, but sometimes it shows up as JVAW on certain other computers. I don't know why, but that's just the way it is. And to find out what it's saved as, you can actually push Control-Alt-Delete and get to your Task Manager toolbar, and when you load up the game, it'll tell you the file name. So I'll just add it. We'll say that you load up Minecraft and it's saved as do not delete me.exe. So the app name is going to be Minecraft, and somehow it got saved as do not delete me.exe. So I'm going to put do not delete me.exe, and the path description will just say Minecraft game. And if we add that, it'll bring that branch up, and you can search for Minecraft now. And there you have it, do not delete me.exe. And you can actually save that and restrict that app itself. And so that's how you limit and restrict games and websites or web access altogether. I hope that tutorial was useful, and thank you for listening.